India is known for its rich cultural and historical heritage. India's history and the land is studded with monuments that tell stories about vast kingdoms, great empires, architecture, monuments, culture and civilization. India has had a continuous living culture that has generated a vast treasure of written, visual and performance art and craft forms that speak to glory of the civilizations that have occupied her land. India's rich history of conflicting dynasties and political struggles and the continuous use and exploitation of her territory has also resulted in the partial destruction of many of her monuments. Likewise, a continuously evolving tradition of higher art has meant that much of the origins and history of this evolution is known only to a few people. The task of documenting, archiving and sharing India's heritage is itself monumental, and despite dedicated efforts by many people and the government, it still remains a challenge. At present, digital technologies have matured. These technologies can protect memories of the past against the destructive forces of time, nature and human-made events. Already, there are digital library projects underway to capture the written documents and manuscripts in digital form. These projects hold promise to preserve wealth for many years. The India Heritage in Digital Space (IHDS) research agenda aims to extend the power of digital technologies to well beyond these monuments of art, architecture and all forms of cultural and historical knowledge. Beyond simply storing and sharing the heritage data and education, the emerging technologies in computer vision, graphics, audio and video technologies and user interface design offers the prospect of creating vivid experiences of the heritage for everyday users. It can also provide analytic tools for the art historian, the architect or any scientist who may be interested in conducting scholarly studies on the heritage. IHDS program objectives: 1. To initiate and nurture research in the frontier areas of digital heritage with specific reference to problems of the Indian context. 2. To create a crowdsourcing framework for building digital collections of heritage resources through the participation of the public in general. 3. To create a mechanism to store, curate and distribute multimedia digital resources and assets for unrestricted access to support cross-disciplinary research in Indian heritage.